Set up a fee. You can create and manage all client fees. Obtain an analysis of your profitability. These functions are exclusive to the roles of C-levels and directors. Create a fee. Select one of your clients. Go to the Fees tab and press the Add Fee button. Complete the required fields, fee name, and income. This value will correspond to the monthly amount agreed with your client. It also fills in the estimated hours of work that the agency will provide. You can add additional data such as start and end of fee, and associate it with brands and products of the client. Click the OK button to confirm the fee creation. Edit general configuration of a fee. Once you have your fees created per client, you can modify them by clicking on the drop-down menu, Edit. You can change the amount charged in revenue or the estimated hours as seen fit. Save the changes made by clicking the OK button. This addition will be effective from the month in which you made the adjustment onwards. The fees values and hours from previous months will not be modified. Edit or correct the data of a fee's expired month. Go to the fee you want to edit. Display the information by pressing on the arrow. Find the month you wish to modify, and in the drop-down menu, click on Edit. You can modify income and monthly hours worked. Press Enter to save the changes made. Click on Fee Name to analyze the consolidated data, such as income, monthly and accumulated, estimated hours, loaded hours, profitability, categories, and associated projects. To obtain good inputs on your fee's profitability, it is key that your entire team log the hours worked within the platform.